Hi guys, welcome to my updated wash day routine. This is a simplified version, so I'm just starting off on my old braid out that I have in 4 plaits just to preserve it. And before then, I am using some water to just really detangle my hair. So I'm just unraveling each section little by little so that I can get ready to detangle before I head into the shower. So I'm using some water and I'm really just drenching my hair, just taking time to make sure that my entire head is wet so that there is minimal breakage. And as you're seeing, this section of hair was just really stubborn and didn't want to get wet, but I made it work and we got her wet. So I will just continue that process, as you will see very shortly. So after my hair has been wet, I'm just detangling from ends to roots. And since I cut my hair, I found the detangling to be way easier. So that's what I'll be doing for this entire process. I've been doing it since I had longer hair, and I will continue to do that with my shorter hair. So after that, I will just twist up the section just to make sure that it doesn't get tangled again, and I will do that for the remainder of my hair. This is how much hair that I lost from detangling, and let's head into the shower. So we're in the shower now, and I'm just using some warm water to saturate my hair, although it is wet from the detangling. This is just a habit of mine to just make sure that my hair cuticle is open because, you know, low porosity problems. So I am doing that. And then now I'm going to take a moisturizing shampoo. I switch out with a clarifying shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo. Just depends on what my hair needs at that point. My hair was really dry, so I just decided to use a moisturizing shampoo, and I'm emulsifying it before I put it in my hair, just spreading it over my hair strands. This first hair wash is to make sure that my strands are clean, and as you're seeing, I'm just really focusing on my hair strands. I will wash my scalp a little bit, but the main focus is my hair strands, just to make sure that the Camille Rose almond joy twisting butter that I used for the braid out is just really out of my hair. It wasn't a thick product, but I just want to make sure that it is out of my hair. So I'm just really focusing on my hair strands. Right, so now I am rinsing out the shampoo with warm water. I always use warm water whenever I wash my hair, just to keep the cuticle open, and I will just speed through the rinsing process because it's just really just rinsing out the shampoo so that there is no product left. This is what my hair looks like freshly washed, and I will go in with a second pump, and this pump is really just to focus on my scalp. Yes, my hair strands will also be cleansed as well, but I'm really just focusing on my scalp just to make sure that both my scalp and my hair are clean. So I would just speed through that now. I am rinsing out the second shampoo with warm water again just to make sure that everything is removed. And this is a moisturizing shampoo, so my hair didn't feel stripped, it just felt moisturized and clean. So that is what I was really focusing on this wash day. Again, every wash day is different pertaining to my hair needs, so I'm just doing that. I am now twisting up the section with the water running on my hair just so that the twist can lock in the moisture from the water, and also so that my hair doesn't get unnecessarily tangled while I deal with the other sections of hair in this wash day process. So like I said, I will continue with the other 3 sections and I'll be back with conditioning. So my hair is now clean and I'm using a conditioner this time around. I switch between deep conditioners and conditioners, just really depending on my hair's needs. My hair was already moisturized from the shampoo, so I didn't really think that I needed to go in with a deep conditioner, and that's how my hair looked before applying the conditioner. And I'm wetting the hair so that the product can be absorbed into my hair strands again with warm water. And I am using a decent bait for this particular section. I will go back in with a little more conditioner because I found that there was just not enough conditioner for that specific section since it was larger than the others. So I am just taking my time to make sure that the conditioner is in my hair so that it can be penetrated in my hair strands. I'm twisting up the sections because again I want my hair to lock in the moisture and for the conditioner to do its thing. So I will continue twisting my hair, and that's pretty much what I will be doing for the rest of the sections of hair. So this is my hair freshly washed from the conditioner. I left it on for 3 to 5 minutes as instructed, and then now I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner in the shower. I found that it is a game changer because my hair is able to lock in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. So I am running some more warm water to again keep my cuticle open, and what I'm going to do is take some leave-in conditioner in kind of small bits. It's smaller than what I would use if I were out of the shower for sure. So I'm just going to put it in my hair, just run my hands through my hair, just making sure that the entire section is coated. And you will see that I will go through the sections twice, 2 times with the conditioner, well, the leave-in conditioner, because I just want my hair to be fully coated with the leave-in conditioner, and I really love the leave-in conditioner, so why not? That's what my hair is looking like so far. And again, I'm adding a little more leave-in conditioner because I want my hair to remain moisturized throughout the week. So that is what I am doing for my hair. So now I'm twisting up the section, and I just really like how my leave-ins apply better in the shower. So I've been incorporating that for a good while now, and it has really been a game changer, like I said. So I will do that for the rest of my hair, and now I will show you how much hair that I lost. Really not that much since my cut. Alright, so I have put my leave-in conditioner on, and this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my wash day routine. If you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And look out for, I guess, part 2 to this video where I style my hair, which will be a separate video, separate topic. It won't be a literal part 2, but just the styling process of my hair. Definitely look out for that. And while you're at it, if you are interested in more content from me, definitely check out videos that will pop on your screen. And until next time, happy new year. I will see you in my next one. Bye.